Sige, okay, it's up to you.
Okay.
Okay, let's start something simple with Carrie. Carrie, take the cards. So the fact na pinahawak ko sa'yo, it's a regular deck of cards. Right? You can spread through the cards and you can take one for yourself. And yeah, random. And you can give back all the cards to me. Okay, look at the card. Give me the rest of the cards. And show it to your friends. Ayan. Okay, Carrie, meron akong question. Okay lang, kasi sige. Hindi eh. Okay, Carrie, I have a question. Do you want to change the card? Do you want to keep it?
I'll keep it.
Okay, so it's very important that you remember the card. Because if you forget, then the magic is useless. Make sense? Okay, game. Sige. Aras! Okay. Tiyansyana. Okay. Can you put the card back here? Okay, I'm gonna guess the color of your card. Madali lang naman kasi black and red, right? I think your card is a red card.
Confirm or deny?
It's up to you.
Kung ikaw confirm or deny.
It's up to you.
Okay.
Well, anyway, I know the card is red. Yeah, the back is red also. Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. One card is gonna jump.
Whoa.
It's gonna spin. And then I'm gonna catch it. Hopefully, it's your card. Hanapin ko muna. I think it's in the 16th position. Not sure. I think it's...
Twice removed.
2 years ko pre-practice yun. Wala kayong reaction. Wala pa. Ace of Diamonds. The Ace of Diamonds. Pero hindi ko sinabi na card mo, right? Pero, it's not the Jack of Clubs, no? What was your card?
Sasabihin na?
Okay lang, nagkamali na ako eh.
7 of diamonds.
7 of Diamonds? Watch. Gia, meron ka bang marker or pen? Or, marker na lang. Actually, meron ako dito. Parang mas maganda yung marker. Carrie, can you write your name across the 7 of Diamonds? Mas malaki, mas maganda. Oh, this only shows that I cannot change the card.
Mas malaki, mas maganda.
Di ba?
Correct.
Correct. Confirmed. Okay. Comment. Okay, perfect. So this is the only 7 of Diamonds in the whole world with Carrie and a little heart. Tama? Okay. Sabi nila mabilis daw yung kamay ng magician. So I'll do this nice and slow. 7 of Diamonds. I'll place it in the middle. Madali lang yung mangyayari. From the middle to the top. You wanna see it? Marunong kayo mag-snap ng fingers? Oh, sige. Uy, grabe ka naman sa hindi marunong. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1. Now it's on top. Ikaw bahala. No. Madali lang yun. Gawin natin mas madali pa para masundan nyo. So I'll just use...
Dapat mapunta yan sa bulsa ko.
Sige, gawin natin mas madali. I'll just use half. Kalahati lang. Lagay mo to sa bulsa mo, hindi natin kailangan
Gusto ko
yan.
yun mapupunta.
Oo nga, ilagay mo lang muna yan.
Yung wallet mo.
Sige, same thing from here to the top. Snap tayo in 3, 2. So pag nasa top yan, napanood nyo na yun, di ba? Yung umangat. Gawin natin mas maganda. I'll make the card invisible. Watch. Oops, wait lang. Yeah. Invisible.
Sabi ko ba?
Yeah. Hindi siya nawala, Carrie. Naging invisible lang siya. Still here.
Watch the watch.
Uy.
Check.
Smart kasi.
Magic.
Watch.
I-reveal ko na.
Okay, pakita mo sa kanila.
Oh, wow!
Magaling!
Yun ang gamit ng daliri ko.
Magaling, magaling. Yes! Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. Send, send ko na lang Gcash mamaya. Galing mo. Okay, alright. Carrie, sabi nila mabilis daw yung kamay ko. So I'll do this nice and slow. Gusto ko panoorin nyo yung bawat daliri na gumagalaw sa katawan ko. I'll do this in super slow motion. You still see it? And I think it's better, Carrie, if you push the card nice and slow.
Ba't ako yung nanginginig? Hindi naman nag-perform. Ay, gago! Ay! Ay!
What? Hindi, ganito, Carrie. This is the finale. Carrie, pili ka ng isa sa kanila.
Bere.
Yung pinakaayaw mo.
Ay! Ay!
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi, si Khalid. You're going to choose a card as well. Lagay ko lang muna dito. Simple lang. You just say stop anytime you want.
Stop.
Here, can you take the marker? And then you're going to sign this card. Okay lang makita ko kasi napanood ko na to eh. Oh, 4 of diamonds. Yeah. Can you say? Yeah. I think mas maganda sa likod para mas kakaiba. And let's do a quick memory test. What was the card that you just signed?
4 of diamonds.
Oh, very good. Very good. And Carrie, you remember your card. I'm gonna use 2 cards. So we have the 4 and then your 7 of diamonds. Hawakan mo lang muna yan. Tapos, tingnan mo yung pangalan mo. Colleen, watch. I can also make it invisible. Watch. Ta-da!
That's crazy.
Crazy. Okay, palakpakan natin si Carrie and si Colleen. Ay, thank you.